Right? Florida closing all its state-run coronavirus test sites this weekend due to Hurricane Isaias. This is the first real test of the states with coronavirus hurricane plans. The Weather Channel's Dave Malkoff in Miami, Florida, a COVID hotspot, and seeing how the city is dealing with all of this.
This banyan tree-lined campus is home to the largest nursing home facility in the state of Florida. There are 339 residents here at Miami Jewish Health and 1,200 people to care for them all, including Chief Medical Director Dr. Shaun Corbett.
We anticipated that we'd be dealing with COVID-19 during hurricane season, and we've done our best to prepare for the combination of those two. And here we are.
Around Florida, there are 70,000 people in nursing homes right now as Hurricane Isaias moves in. The 700 facilities like this in the Sunshine State are all required to have generators to run life support as well as air conditioning. For a storm like this, the plan is to keep people in their rooms where the beds are now 6 feet apart, and COVID-positive patients are in an isolation wing. They do have a shelter to use as a last resort right here.
And that would be a relatively catastrophic event for us to have to do that. But our Ruby Auditorium is rated up to, I believe, a Category 4 storm if necessary, which clearly we're not anticipating this time around. But we would do that, and we would socially distance individuals in there just as we would anywhere else.
Normally, they could let the public in the shelter as well, but not during this pandemic. Thursday was also the last day before the storm for these public coronavirus testing sites in Florida. Santiago Natera has a fever, and so his grandparents brought him by.
It felt kind of weird. It hurt a little bit, but it was nothing.
We are okay, but, I wanted to know if he's got the COVID.
This location shuts down at 6 o'clock today, and because of the upcoming storm, it does not open again until at least Wednesday. It takes some time to take down these tents and cones. Close to 500,000 Floridians have tested positive so far. Gustavo Figueroa has the virus. His wife Gladys does not.
I had the result today that I was negative, but I came back again to do it again because I think if he has it and I'm in the same room, I don't have no symptoms. I might get it.
Just the simple act of going to the store for supplies is complicated. This long line in front of a Miami area big box store is just one example of the new world when a tropical storm and a pandemic collide. In Miami, Dave Malkoff, The Weather Channel.